Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share an important warning with those of you who are considering buying the LG C2 42-inch OLED TV, especially if you are planning to use it as a PC monitor or for your personal desk. I had a really unfortunate experience with it, and I hope that by sharing my story, I can save some of you from going through the same ordeal. If you have been following my channel, you might remember that I made a review of this TV back in October when I first got it the last year. I was really excited about it and initially had a great experience. However, after just 5 months of use, one day the TV turned off and wouldn't turn on no matter what. I sent it in for warranty repair by LG and they fixed the issue. But then the second misfortune happened. I was moving the TV when it accidentally received a minor knock on the right bottom frame. It wasn't a huge impact, but to my utter shock, the TV stopped working instantly. I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Here is some footage and close-up pictures of the knock on the TV's frame. And there is a bit of separating to the glass. However, it doesn't seem to show a big sign of breaking. You see, I have a close shot, so it's extremely zoomed. When I try to turn on the TV, you can see that the red light flashes on, but after a few seconds of pressing the power button, it just flashes again and the screen remains completely dark. I reached out to LG for help, hoping they would cover the repair under warranty, but unfortunately they refused to do so. They claimed that the damage was caused by physical impact and was not covered by their warranty policy, and even had me to pay for the cost of inspection. What's even more frustrating is that the cost of repairing would be around 80% of its original price, just for a small knock on the frame. Can you believe it?
Yes! Yes!
This has left me with a practically useless piece of glass that used to turn on. So here is my warning to all of you considering the LG C2 42-inch OLED TV as a monitor for PC. It is extremely sensitive and fragile. In my opinion, it's not the best choice for some PC workstation use case either, but for gaming and media consumption, it's good. The reason I say this is because you might put it in risky situations around on your desk with many objects close by, like your PC case, etc., unless you put it far from risk or hang it on the wall and leaving it untouched. I understand that my experience might not be the same for everyone, but still worth noting that this possibility exists and it could happen to anyone any day. And please don't get me wrong, OLED fans, the TV was great while it worked, but I want to spread awareness about the risk associated with it. Please think twice before buying this TV for your PC setup, or at least be extra cautious if you decide to go ahead with it. And guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope my experience can save some of you from going the same heartache. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Before I wrap up this video, I have an exciting announcement. TechAsaur now has a Discord server and I invite all of you to join our growing community. We have channels covering various topics like technical support, video game benchmark, video request, and more. Feel free to take part, share your experience and thoughts, and connect with other members as well. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.